right, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I've got a new wig for y'all, and we are actually focusing on the hairline, melting this lace today. And to melt this lace, I'm actually not using GOT2BE glue. So if you are interested in this look and what product I'm using, then just keep on watching. All right, y'all, so this wig is from my friends over at Asteria Hair. Thank y'all so much for sending me this wig to review. So this is their new 13x6 lace front wig. It is in DeepWave. I have it in 22 inches and it's in 180% density. So first things first is we're gonna prep this wig and pluck it. I did bleach the knots on this unit, but they kind of didn't take very well, so it could definitely use another round of not bleaching. And just to throw it out there, you guys, I've been loving this like wig stand that I got from Amazon. It is so sturdy. I hate buying wig stands. Well, I actually hated it because they just suck, but this one just allows me to position my wig, like my mannequin head, in so many different positions to style, to pluck like I am right now. I'm just saying this was a really good buy. So if you are looking for a new wig stand, I will put this, well, it's already in my Amazon store, so just make sure you click the link below. And as far as plucking this hairline, you guys, I would say this hairline needed a lot of plucking. I'm showing you just from like all the hair that I plucked on both sides, so giving you the right side view, and then I'm going to give you this left side view of what was not plucked so you can see the difference. I will say this wig definitely will need some plucking. I actually could have went a little bit harder on it. That just shows how much hair they do give you. It's not the absolute worst hairline, but you will need to pluck it, in my opinion, just to make it look a little bit more natural. And then I just followed up with my wax stick and hot comb to just push the hair all the way back to make it much easier for me to apply the wig and melt the lace. So I am using some powder instead of foundation on this wig today. I normally just do, foundation, but I just want to switch it up. So this was my first time at trying on the wig and it fit me perfectly, you guys. I was too hyped. I was too excited. And then from here, I'm just going to clip my hair back and remove the lace, which was so easy without having all the hairs flying around everywhere. All right, you guys, so here's the product that I'm using. Damn, it is the Bed Head Hard Head Spray. I bought this like months and months ago, and I think I tried it like maybe 2 or 3 times. I really didn't give it a chance. And I was going through all my stuff and I was like, you know what? Let me try this again, because maybe I was wrong about you. And so I decided to give it a go, and that's what I'm doing. I am going right now and I am applying this. It was so much easier for some reason. I don't know if I was just messing up, months ago, or I don't know what the deal was, but melting my lace, applying my wig using this TIGI bed, whatever you want to call the brand. It was so easy, you guys, and it was super fast. It wasn't sticky. Typically, freeze spray can get a little bit sticky on me. And to me, freeze spray, it just took a little bit longer for it to dry. This hairspray took no time, so I don't know. It is definitely given what's that called? See, I forgot about it already. It's definitely given that GOT2BE glued a run for its money. The only thing I had was a little bit of like white flaking in the front, but it was all good, you guys. No big deal. All right, so I kept my edges very simple, and I actually really love the way that I did them this go around. Just kind of did them in 3 sections, a little bit in the middle, and I'm just taking the little leftover hairspray off with a little bit of alcohol. And I finally got new eyebrow razors that I do this with. I take my little baby hair off with. They're nice and sharp. And I was very excited about it on this day. And that is what I'm doing. So we're just going to use my favorite, my beloved, it's just my baby, my Design Essentials foaming lotion to lay my edges. This is the absolute best stuff I have ever tried to do my little baby hair. And I'm going to do a little bit of swoopty swoops. Nothing too crazy. And if you are not already, make sure you are following me on Instagram at whatever you want to call it, Marie. I'm gonna start posting a little bit more on there. I kind of took a break, this month with everything. So yeah, just make sure you're following me and keeping up with me there. And yeah, just gonna work on these baby hair a bit. While we have a moment, I do want to point out that this wig is so pretty, you guys. I have not worked with Asteria Hair in a while. I used to work with them quite often. Maybe a year ago, but it's been a long time, and I remember just how much I really loved their hair then, and to me it seems like the quality has changed for the better. I always thought they provided really great, really pretty hair, really soft hair. One of those companies I never really had to worry about, and I think they just kind of stepped their game up, and I was loving this wig. I am loving this wig, and I just wanted to put that out there. So good job, Asteria Hair. So next, you guys, we're just gonna style this wig. Asteria Hair has a really pretty curly hair, so you really don't have to do too much to it, which I did not. I'm just gonna take my water bottle here and just kind of spray in some sections. I think I ended up doing maybe 4 or 5 sections, you guys. I just kind of sped through it a little bit. I wanted it defined, but I wanted it still kind of soft. So after I used my water bottle, I'm taking this Paul Mitchell styling cream. I will try and find it on Amazon, and I'll put it in my Amazon store as well. I didn't want hard and crunchy. I hate hard crunchy curls. They just bother me. They just don't sit right with my spirit. So I just used this on top of just the water, and that was pretty much it, you guys. That's how I styled it, and that's all I did to this wig. So it doesn't require much. Really pretty curls. This, of course, is a first impressions video. This is my first time wearing this wig, so if you're interested in how it holds up, then just either DM me on Instagram. That's probably the fastest way you'll get a response. Or lately I've been behind on comments in my videos just because I took, I had to take a little mental break. But just keep that in mind whenever you're researching a wig. Don't just go off of maybe one person's review in their opinion. Just try and do your research like you would anything else, because you're investing money, and you just gotta know exactly what you're buying. You know what I mean? But so far, I love it. This is the final result, you guys. So all I have to do right now is just slay it and work it and conquer the world. So that is it, you guys. I'll put all the information about this wig down below in the description box. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.